Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Forex chart on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the BTC USDT symbol at the top left corner of the screen. So once you click over there you can see the Forex option, so you need to click on it and make sure you clear this BTC USDT as well. And now you can see lots of Forex options to trade, so let's choose any of them for now. Let's choose EUR USD, and now you'll be able to set up your Forex chart successfully. So basically this is how you can set up your Forex chart on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.